Welcome to Graya Overload. I'm Anthony and I'm going to be unboxing the NZXT S340. I purchased the S340 by NZXT to replace another case that I have around the house. That case is breaking, but the reason why I chose this case was that it is nice, compact, small, easy to work with. I was able to build a couple other machines with this case already, but this is the first one I purchased that I'm going to have for myself and used on some of my own equipment here. But I was kind of excited about this case because it's a great price point at about $70 on Newegg right now, and that was a big point of it too. I didn't need anything too expensive. I just needed something very functional and that looked great to replace this older case. And this one I let my kids choose what color they wanted, and my daughter wanted white and purple. However, that was about double the price right now, so on Newegg, and so I was just like, let's stick with the colors that are a little bit in the price range I wanted to stick with. And so they chose the matte black and red for this case. A couple nice things about this is it comes with a couple filters. You can get a double radiator in front if you're doing an all-in-one cooling, if you want to do that, and I'll hopefully show you some of that in the unboxing here as well. So that's a little bit about this. It also had some USB ports up on top, which in the location that I have this is a little bit better than in the front, just so that it's more out of the way with kids running around. And that's a couple little things that I want with this. The window wasn't a huge thing, but you do get a window with this case as well, and especially in the price point, it's pretty good overall with the features that they put in here, I think. So we'll see how this goes unboxing this. This is the first time I'm going to be taking out of the box, and boxing in the case on this table. So we will see how this goes. So far, not so bad. I should mention that this case does come with a 2-year warranty, so that's pretty good. We have gotten the box off of the case, so now we can take this apart. Don't care about the styrofoam. Windows 7, Windows 8 USB install instructions. So that's actually that's pretty nice to have, is something like that, just how to get those downloaded as well. Windows 10 has a tool that you can also use if you're curious about that. This is the bottom of the case, and while I'm here, I might as well show you it. You have a filter here that should come out. So you have a bottom with the filter. You can put your power supply in there, and it'll have that all filtered as well. So then if we flip this up, take off the other styrofoam, then we're left with a plastic bag. So here we have the back of the case. You have your fan, your PCI slots, power supply, your panel for the motherboard. And let's see if I can get these off, or I should have had a screwdriver here. We'll see. So here's your back side, which is just a plain with some styrofoam, a plain black, matte black, and then it comes off. And as you see here, here's the red. So here's the back side here, which is a nice little window for CPU and everything on the motherboard. This is nice because it's going to hide the cords really nice. I really like how they did this. I think this hides the cords well. And then you also have some of your screws and everything else in here, if you want to take a look at that. I don't know if there's anything major besides screws in here, but there is instructions. So if you care, you can read the instructions. That's on you. But I will open up and use the screws. Then this is all your connectors. You got your USB 3, your fan, I believe your light connector here, and then you also have a couple other things here, which is nice. You got power, I think, for some LEDs. Then this front, I believe, comes off here. Which is kind of cool. You have NZXT, and then it's a full red back. And then you have your filter, and it sticks in there. It's magnetic, so you just take it out, you can clean it off. Works quite well. Here's where you can get, and this looks like it's a full, you can get a 280 in here, so two 140s, and you can just have your radiator sitting right here in front. And if I can get this other screw off, here's the top panel. And so you can kind of see the top panel there. You have your USB, your power button, and your audio. You notice that there's no reset button on there, but you do have a fan on top as well as the fan in the back. And so here we go. Should have had a screwdriver. I will probably wait to take off the plastic once I'm done so I don't get it full of fingerprints while I'm building the computer. But there is the window. And then you see you got your two SSDs here that you can mount with you can run the cords right there. You have your plastic, you can get your motherboard mounted here. Little ventilation for your 3.5 inches on the back side that you can put into right here. So, I mean, as you can tell, this case is pretty light overall. I'm kind of moving it around and holding it in many different ways, but you know, you got your panel up there kind of well, so you can set this up to do quite a multitude of things. But overall, it's a nice case. It's light, it's compact, very actually compact here, and nice and light. So I'm excited to go get this computer together and basically get it all set up, swapped over, get rid of that old case here. But that's the unboxing of this. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching, and also thank you for supporting this channel and helping it grow. I really appreciate that. And until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Graya Overload. If you like this content, be sure to subscribe.